know I said that I was gonna post this, but your girl is special. I sat on my computer screen and I broke it, and therefore editing is delayed because I am a one-woman team. I edit, I do all that, and yeah.
Hello there.
Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make this puppet. He's covered in fake blood right now, so he's a little crusty. But I'm gonna show you how to do this puppet, make this puppet. No sewing, nothing like that. Roll the intro. Okay, let's get started. So I'm using this fusible spray adhesive. It makes a temporary bond, and these like four, I don't know why I'm showing two, but 4 sheets of 1 inch foam, and you're gonna pitter patter, and I glued 4 sheets all over it, and you're just pressing it down. Yeah! We're gonna draw my little circle. I don't know why my camera's not picking it up, but okay. Draw my little circle, place my hand, test the fit. That's gonna be our head, and we're gonna slice it open like it's bread.
Anyway.
Keep cutting and slicing. We're gonna snip. We're just trimming up the edges, getting a little haircut here right now. Alright, now for the inside. This is where your hand's gonna go. You're gonna take your box cutter and some scissors, and you're just gonna snip it away, and you're gonna keep going, take it apart, wow, until you get a nice, lovely hollow inside where you can stick your hand.
Wow.
Okay, trace that onto a cardboard box or any kind of like stiff material that you can easily cut, because this is going to be the base of the mouth. So I drew a little circle. I ended up cutting it in half, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue the edges all the way down with some hot glue, lots and lots of it, and we are going to press that down all the way on the edges. I'm going to press it, keep pressing, and now we're going to glue the edge. I almost did something totally different. Glue the edge all the way around. All the way around. All around. And keep going. Now we're gonna cut. Sound like a guinea pig. Okay, we're gonna cut all the way around the edges. This is for the chin, by the way, and the little nubbin on the inside, that's for your thumb to go. And yeah, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna glue another little cardboard piece to the bottom. Now you got your mouth. Okay, so now for the actual like muppety mouth. Muppety mouth. Take some hot glue, and you're gonna just glue it around. And take some red felt. You're just gonna place it right on there, and the important thing when you do this is you want to get it as flat as possible so it keeps that kind of illusion. And then you're gonna fold it back just a little bit and keep like an inch access and you're going to fold that and glue it, and so that gives you a little bit of wiggle room for your hand, so that it gives the mouth, like, as you can see, it opens the mouth pretty decent without it like closing. Yeah. There's a little guy, there's the little nose, schnoz, and there's the body, which all the same way. Okay, ignore this. I don't know why I did that. Don't cover it up. I ended up not doing that. I just ended straight up covering the whole thing with like this black. Obviously that's black.
Idiot.
This black fleece that I got at Walmart. It was like $1.50. No, definitely not $1.50. It was $10. 12? I'm not sure. It was something like that. But make sure that you lay it flat, because you don't want the whole face to be wrinkled. Like, I don't care if the bottom's wrinkled. Don't make the face wrinkled, and I just pinned it down where the eyeballs are gonna go and everything. And you're just gonna take some hot glue and glue it down, and please make sure it's flat. Alright, cool. Yeah, glue, hot glue, woo. Yes, yes, yes. Why am I even talking right now? I don't know. I'm filling up the gaps in the... Okay, anyway, so then you're gonna cut a hole in the fleece where the mouth is gonna go. Obviously, this fabric sheds a lot, so be careful. I have terrible scissors too. You're gonna cut a hole where you want the top of the mouth to be, and you're just gonna glue it around the edge. Try and get it secure as possible, and you can clean it up later. And then you're gonna be essentially doing the same thing on the bottom part of the mouth as well. Alright, now for some donuts. This is the body. I use this for more structure. I'm just gluing the donuts body to the fabric, which is just a really long rectangle strip of fabric, by the way. Yeah, we're just gonna glue and roll. Glue and roll. Yeah, that's all there is to it, really. And then I forgot to record it, but you want to cut the edges in, the edges of the fabric in, and you're gonna flip and glue them in, if that makes any sense. See, and there's a little guy so far, and there's me. Wow, it's like the fourth dimension, seeing myself in the mirror. Whoa, on my video screen. Whoa, while I'm editing. Whoa. Anyway, so some for some eyeballs, what we're gonna do is we are going to take a red foam golf ball. These already came red, and they're foam. So you're gonna take your X-Acto knife and you're gonna score it. So give a little hot glue something to bite into. And you're gonna just glue it. Oh, I got these at Walmart, by the way. It was a whole pack of them. So yeah, and then you're just gonna press it in, because that gives them little skeeter eyes. Little mosquito eyes. Now for nose. I ended up not doing this method. Ignore it. Do not do this. I ended up just taking a scrap piece of fabric, honestly, and taking him and gluing it down. This looks so wrong. It looks so wrong when I was like making it. I was like, this looks a little silly shaped, if you get what I mean. Anyway, I glue it all the way down, and luckily this fabric was wide enough, so I was just able to like stretch it over and just make a seam on the bottom part of the schnoz. But I ended up cutting away quite a lot of it. Like in this case, I just cut away like some of the remnants, and then just glued and pinch. You'll see, pinch, and those seams actually line up really well, so I was super happy with that. Oh, look, he's got his little eyes. Now we're gonna glue them. We're just gonna watch me struggle here trying to get my hot glue gonna work. We're just gonna glue and 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 glue until we plop him on the face. See, now he looks like Mothman. He wasn't supposed to look like Mothman, but he looks like Mothman. Anyway, we're gonna put some pins in there to kind of secure it in place. Secure his little snoot in place there. Yeah, so you can see it's holding in place, and look, he opens his mouth. Oh my god. Now for tongue, it's just a piece of pink, and cut it out, and you just trace a little line in there, give it a little Muppety feel. Alright, whoa, I switched location. Whoa, you're gonna take a rectangle there, and you're gonna glue the sides up here. Basically what we're doing is we're just creating a little connection piece between the neck and the body, and you're just gonna glue it all the way around. Alright, now we're gonna make some antennas. This was some felt, leftover black felt that I had. I'm just gonna glue it. You're gonna glue it with some hot glue, and now you're gonna roll it. You're gonna roll it like, I think you know what I'm gonna say, but I'm not gonna say it because of YouTube. You're gonna roll it like it has a natural herb and spice in there, and you're gonna make sure that it's all nice and tight, so that it can be rolled and enjoyed properly, you know. Yeah, this is very satisfying to watch me rolling. I love rolling things with my hands. Anyway, yeah, we're making an antenna here. We're not making other things, and we're certainly not passing them around. So, lighting them on fire and passing them around. So, yeah, there's a little guy. Why am I still recording this? Oh, you're just putting in more glue and just reinforcing it essentially. Why is it out of frame? I can't see it. Oh my god. I have such a terrible filming aspect or film. Oh. There you go. Now you got two little joints. I mean antennas. Cute. Oh my god. Why does he look like Walter? That bull terrier meme, you know, with his snoot right there. Yeah. Why does he look like that? And you're just gonna glue the antennas on. You're gonna glue them on, and you're gonna glue both of them on. But why am I only showing one? I don't know. Anyway, oh, look, me again in my dorm room, and there's a little guy. He looks like Mothman. The people on set actually named him Mo. Yeah, his name is Mo. Hi, Mo. How are you? Mo, you're so cute. So there it is. There's how you make a nice little puppety dude that you can make move. And he can sometimes talk for you and all that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like it, because like helps me out, all that good jazz. If you want to see anything, be sure to drop comments down below, whether that be like cosplay related or like tutorial like crafting related. Be sure that you drop that down in the comments below. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Is sharing still even a thing? Like with YouTube and stuff? Can you still like share videos and stuff? Yes, do it. If you can, do it, because that helps me out. Thanks for watching. Bye.